Hello, my name is Devin Heighthouse, and here is my CCR 1. So I would say my MPAA age rating is PG-13 because in the film it features some blood and some gore and death, and I do not think that it is appropriate for the younger audiences, so that is why I would give it a PG-13 rating. And this is a brand new production company that me and my friend have started. Um, this is our first film opening together, and we hope to continue to grow and make bigger and better films. And our film started off in an establishing shot because it is about a vacation, and we have to establish the scene, the setting with sequencing. So when we go on vacation, we stay in hotels. So I thought that it was appropriate to start off with an establishing shot of a hotel. And from the beginning, there was lots of components in there that really helped bring up the theme of just going on a vacation, from packing the beach bag with waters, towels, and a football, to the outfit of the pink flamingo swimsuit and the little America tank top and the straw hat, as well as putting on the sunscreen really helps bring home the theme. And I'd also say the characters are very easily able to recognize as our protagonist. On the left side of the screen here, these are some things that resonate around the character. The beach, the pink flamingo shorts, the sunscreen, the beach hat. These all help recognize the protagonist. And as for the antagonist, a mysterious man, we don't know who he is. He's stalking the main character, or the protagonist in this film, which is played by me. And yeah. And so, with that being said, the actors in this film are myself, Devin Heighthouse, as the protagonist, and Jaden Sheridan as the stalker or the antagonist. And I'd say the music soundtrack really helps because it's basically a part of the whole film. We have the Vacation by the Go-Go's, which is where the idea had originated from, just going on vacation, but with a little bit of a twist to it. And we have all the title cards from the director, producer, camera work, and prop management, as well as actors, to give the credit where it is deserved. And at the end, we have our film opening title, Vacation. And we decided when editing to go with a bold statement with the blood dripping down, because we wanted it to stick out. Because a normal bland font, doesn't really pop, but it's just out in the audience's faces, and they're gonna remember that this film is Vacation. And I definitely think this is a good hook because we're following the protagonist in this opening. It looks like it's gonna be like a just a fun little family film, going on vacation, just like a feel-good film. And out of nowhere, you're hit with a crazy twist. And that leaves the audience wondering, what's going to happen next? Are we going to be following the antagonist as he goes and hunts more people? And I think that it just, it's a good hook to get the audience to really want to see more.